Hey guys, it's Maliki Shah. Welcome back to my channel. And I thought I would make another video because bored as shit.
That's right. Big pimpin', spinning cheap.
It's gonna be a makeup tutorial, and I know it's gonna be great because I believe in myself. Like, gonna look like Kylie Jenner. Anyways, shister. Before we start, I said I got some new makeup stuff. It's gonna be great. But when I listened to it, it said fun. Like, what? Shook. Okay, enough of the long ass intro. Let's get into it now. Start off by using this caramel foundation that I got in Pennies for like €8. And by for like, I mean it was €8, but like, yeah, not the point. Guys, take a shot each time I say like in this video because I say it a lot of times. Anyways, like, okay, I did that one on purpose, but like, still. Next, I start off with my brows because why not? Just apply some brow powder onto my eyebrows, and then I use a foundation to fix it up. And I'm like really triggered, but like I'm gonna forget it. Anyway, speaking of triggered, why does that word bother so many people? Like, I don't get it. I use that word a lot. Yeah, and now I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow. Why do I say start off? Like, I already started. Anyways, it's the Candy Cotton Candy. What's wrong with me? So after we do that, we blend. Also, if any of you guys are doing this, tweet me on Twitter and like show me your looks because it's actually good. Okay, now, today, we are going to be doing something different. Guys, I just had to plug Why Don't We because I love Why Don't We. They're my favorite band and they're going on tour again. I'm like, yeah, I'm going. Anyways, eyeliner. Gonna take me ages, but yeah. Okay, so my wings are done and they took me ages. And earlier on I said I was gonna do something different. I'm gonna apply false eyelashes, and I never do that, so yeah. So I finally got my lashes on, and it took me about 20 minutes, and I don't recommend doing it because it takes ages. It's really difficult. The glue takes ages to take on, and you have to put the glue like 10 times, and they're extremely uncomfortable, but I'm glad I tried it. It was $1.50, so thank you, Pennies. Now I'm going to apply this lip kit, and I'm really excited because I haven't tried the color yet. And I always use this brown one. I don't know where it went, but it's somewhere around my house, that's for sure. So yeah. So I really like this color, but like the look so far reminds me of the Snapchat filter. Like, if I find it, I'll put it at the end of the video, but I can't find it at the moment. Well, I did look for it. Anyways, so that's the other lipstick I was talking about by PS, which is Pennies. And now we're going to go add the highlight. If anyone's wondering, the company of these is Matte. Anyways, for highlight, I like to add a nose highlight. And like pretty much everything I use in here, I got from Pennies except for the eyeshadow. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Eyeshadow is from Pennies. And we're done.
Okay.
I have no idea what I'm doing here. Guys, that is so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you tell me if you liked it. Tweet me on Twitter. Follow my social medias. Malix2 is my Snapchat. Like_Sky is my Instagram. I think that was all. Twitter is Malix. They will all be down in the bio. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Welcome to Extras. This is me filming the thumbnail. I also look really stupid.
Russell, how I'm ballin'. The NBA keep calling. Stay 10 toes down. You wouldn't like to my shoes, though.